Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, May 27th, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us today.
Hey guys, yeah, another pretty good day over here. We sold a couple bras.
Yeah, today, I think it was a pretty good net profit day because we had a lot of low
Yesterday was too.
cost items. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like I love these bins items, but it's still like it's so hard because you just don't know what you're gonna find, and if you're spending your time at the bins, you want to at least find some profit. So
Yeah.
luckily these bras have been lasting us the whole year, but paying off definitely. So these two actually both sold on Mercari. They sold to the same buyer but separately. Again, I always assume these bra sales are like to viewers, but they didn't say anything. So Laura, if you're a viewer, thank you so much. She bought each of these for $23 plus shipping.
Very nice.
All right.
And yeah, those, like Kathy was saying, no cost of goods on those because we basically paid for them after selling one or two bras because that was a Ben's find up in Denver from your birthday trip. Yeah, don't step on the Reese Meister. Hey, you stay there. You be good inside.
And I sold a pair of Danskos on eBay for $22.95 plus shipping, and these I have $4.99 into, so not too bad. These ones took a little bit longer to sell, but they were a small size and a little bit dirty. I mean, not bad, but dirtier than I normally pick up, but they were $5, so I picked them up. All right, CW. So this Vineyard Vines button down on Poshmark for $20 with discounted shipping. This was my son's. I don't remember where I got it, but I probably paid $15 to $18 for it, I'd say, and I'm making back probably like $13 and some change there. AW. This North Face windbreaker sold on Facebook late last night for $20. Again, we're still with the free shipping labels, so they didn't pay shipping, but it did not come out of my pocket either. So I paid $5.99 for the jacket and sold it for $20. And then box E was another Facebook sale.
Sorry, Bubba.
What? Poor Reese.
I just startled him. He's a good boy.
Alright, so this is the brand Pink Chicken, although it's Happy by Pink Chicken, which was their Target line. So costed a lot less to begin with. If you find actual pink chicken that's not Happy by Pink Chicken, those ones sell for really good money, like $30 to $40 usually.
Okay. So the Happy by Pink Chicken is like a lower.
Yeah, it's a Target
tier.
line. Some of their prints can go, like there are some of the Target ones that still sell for like $25 to $30, but that one wasn't one of them. So this I picked up for 50 cents and just sold it for $10 on Facebook. CC.
Reese just found his corner.
I'm sure we have some in BA.
Right. BA.
Alright. So this guy, perfect time for Memorial Day coming up. Although it probably won't get to them by then. Hopefully it does.
Well, 4th of July is coming up next, so.
So $9.15 plus shipping. This was a Ben's find, part of the stimulus check challenge. So only about $1 into him, into $9.15. AB. I shared this sale on my Instagram story last night, mostly because it just sold so fast and for a good amount. I purchased these off a local Facebook like porch pickup for $10, and I listed them at $59, and in the same day got an offer of $50. So that means I make $40, so $30 profit. The brand is Anu, and then I guess Anu is a Tiva brand. So
yeah.
Yeah, the brand always does really well for us. So, all right, CK. Oh, so this is, so in the night somebody bought 3 of our Harley shirts on Facebook, but like separately because they're listed separately, obviously.
Right.
And I think because we have the free shipping labels, that definitely helped. So I am shipping them all separately because that's how they were purchased, but it's still really good sales. So this one here is the one with, like, you can't see it, but it has a really cool skull in the background. And this one sold for $40. And then AL. So this is another Harley one. It sold for $35. And the last Harley one, AI. Tried to keep all these Harley ones separate because they were so similar. This one was a new at tag one, so I priced it a little higher. This one's sold for $45. So for the 3 shirts, $120, and I paid $10.67 for each, so about $32. And yeah, Facebook only takes 5%, so I think my fees for the 3 shirts was like $6, so really good. It was like over $80 in profit on just those 3. So
right.
Really glad I found those. I was nervous at first because of the high cost of goods, but it's definitely been paying off.
Right. And yeah, he's taken 3 of our free labels from Facebook, but it's the way Kathy figured it was better just to leave it than to cancel and try to combine an order and all that. And
yeah, I mean, he
potentially
probably wouldn't repurchase
lose,
or anything. And normally people would reach out and be like, "Hi, can you combine shipping?" But it showed free shipping for him, so why would he do that?
Exactly.
So, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So these Alegrias sold on Facebook today for $35. So I had to go and delete a different pair of Alegrias that I had forgot to delete, and then I noticed a couple of my listings said I could renew them because that means they've been listed over a week at least. So I renewed those, but I also dropped the price $5, and then they pretty much sold right away after that. So I had them listed at $40, dropped the price, plus now that they're free shipping, someone probably had it saved and then they just got a notification. So I did pay $14.99 for those at Goodwill, so not quite a $20 profit, but pretty close to it. All right, BO. So these flats. Fit flats. Those sold for $29.99 plus shipping, and I had bought those for $7.99. All right, and then box H. This is one of my Eleanor Rose little baby dresses from the JBF sale, so about $11 into it. Sold it for $32.15 plus shipping on eBay. Yeah, those have been doing pretty well too. They're slowly but steadily selling off. And last but not least was a viewer sale, another bra. It's one of the black ones. I think it might be this one. Classic t-shirt, 38B. Yep. Do not want to mess those up again.
Right.
So this one sold to Ashley. She said her and her daughter watch our channel. Her daughter loves Reese. And she said she just loves all the good deals and stuff we find and share. So yeah, Ashley, thank you so much. She grabbed the Third Love bra for $20 plus shipping.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the support, Ashley. And I'm sure if you guys were here, Reese would love you too.
Yeah, he loves.
If only he knew how many fans he has. But we're going to go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that all packed up, and it's been probably about another 45 minutes to an hour since we last talked to you, but no other sales came in.
No other sales, but I didn't count them, but probably 20 shirts, tops, jackets, those kinds of things.
She was photographing and...
Photographed, yeah, and then I'm sure you guys saw the pile of shoes that we were pulling, so... I feel like when I put stuff on the floor kind of in my way, it makes me...
That's her to-do pile.
Might get through it. I feel like I can get through it faster when I put it in my way. So. Yeah.
Which we are the exact opposite. That's so not me.
He wants me to put them in like IKEA bags, but then they'll just stay in IKEA bags because I'll be like forgetting that I had to do that. So,
yeah.
I mean, I'm sure I'll photograph those either tonight or in the morning. But yeah, this is what I just photographed.
Shirts and tops in there.
And then the black Hulking bag is my pants. So that's going to be one photography session. I try to break it up because I get bored of taking pictures. So, but I also don't like to only do like 5 or 10. I like to do at least 20. So.
Yeah. And we didn't get any new listings up yesterday. Kathy, we had a very busy day yesterday with shipping.
Just busy.
And...
Then I decided to go to a thrift store to make a return, but then also use those coupons that I mentioned. And I did find out, like, if you're local, so the New Horizons store, they do. So if you spend $25, it prints out a coupon for $5 off your next order, which is only good the next day and then for 10 days afterwards. So I had 2 of the coupons, and I wasn't sure they were going to let me use them both together, but they did say that you can do that. You can use multiple on a transaction, and also... So I went, I spent like $50 more, and then even after the coupons, I still spent like $40, so I did get another one again. So
yeah,
that was kind of all the things I was wondering about, and I figured that all out, so that's good.
So we've been to New Horizons 3 trips now, and it's been open for 2 days.
As I was photographing the tops, I think I found 1 or 2 that had like a stain or spot I didn't notice, so I'm going to return those. They do take returns.
Yeah.
And not just for store credit. Most of our Goodwill used to give you cash back, but since COVID, they only do store credit now, which is fine. I mean, I'm there like every other day, so. And then, our thrift store, which I go to often, that is also store credit. I don't think any of our stores, maybe like 1 or 2, don't take returns at all. So then I'm like very, very picky on what I buy there. But yeah, I like that you can return stuff, and for I think 7 to 10 days. So yeah.
So yeah, that's what's going out today, and tomorrow is, well, today was Sai's last day. Yesterday was Connor's last day in school. But tomorrow there is like a field day kind of thing at Sai's school, and I think we're all allowed to go and just kind of let him play around with the kids and friends one last time, because he's no longer going to that school. He's going to be going to the school where Connor goes, which is going to kind of be a little bit more convenient for us, because the school's right next to it. It's like just a few minute drive. Yeah, we do like the school that Sai's at, but it's a 30-minute drive. It's in the middle of town, and it's a private school, so it costs money. So, we're excited for the change. Sad, but it's bittersweet, right? If we did live closer to that school, I think we would try everything we could to have them go there, but just not in the cards. So yeah, that is what we've got going on today. I don't know, we're gonna get any listings up today?
I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna take these to the post office. I kind of want to get my nails done because they've been looking all gross. So, I already took all the numbers off the shoes, so I shouldn't have to do that for a while. So if I get my nails done, it won't ruin them. But yeah, I was gonna say, while I do that, you could draft all the listings I just took. Then when I get back, maybe I'll list them.
So we haven't done it yet, but any tax professionals out there, do you know if getting your nails done is tax deductible? Since
it would be nice.
They're going to be in all the photos. I mean, you want your nails to look nice. I would think that's for work.
I've been trying to do the pinky and not show it in my picture because I don't know. I do think it's kind of gross when people have gross nails in their pictures.
Yeah.
But yeah. Otherwise,
or
you
big
could use
man
a pen
hands.
Or something. I don't know.
I've got big meat hook hands, so I don't think my hands look good in photos. But it probably doesn't really matter that much. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.